Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, I'll show you how to save and publish your sliders, integrate them into WordPress pages, optimize them for speed and performance. Once you have designed your slider, the next step is to save and publish it. After finalizing your slider's design, click on the Save button. By clicking on the Save button, your slider design is saved. Hover on the Save button, you will see a pop-up button with Optimize File Sizes. Click on it to optimize the file size. It will automatically optimize your file size. Now, click on Save Changes. Once your slider is optimized and saved, now it is ready to be embedded anywhere on your WordPress site. Now, click on Overview under Slider Revolution on your WordPress dashboard. Now, click on the Expand icon on your slider. In this drop-down menu, we have options like Embed, Export, HTML Duplicate. Now click on Embed. Now a pop-up will appear. We can copy our shortcode from over here. To add a slider in your blog post, go to Posts and click on Add New. Now in your blog post, add an element with the name shortcode. Now paste your shortcode of Slider Revolution. Now click on Publish Post, or the slider is published on a blog post. We can view our slider by clicking on this button, View Post. Now as you can see, our slider is published in a blog post. Now go to your WordPress dashboard. Once you are in your WordPress dashboard, hover on Pages and click on Add New Page. Now, add a block of shortcode on your page. Paste your shortcode of Slider Revolution. Once your shortcode is added, click on Publish Page. Once our page is published, we can view our page by clicking on the View Page button. Now, our slider is published in our page. Now we have added Slider Revolution on our website's page. And that's how you save, publish, and optimize Slider Revolution on your web page, whether you are using shortcodes or blocks. Your slide can easily integrate into any part of your website. That is a wrap on publishing and integration in Slider Revolution. Subscribe and get more videos from Sleekr Digital.